ओल्ड गोवा एक्शन कमिटी आयज आमी TCP ऑफिसान येयल्ले चीफ टावन प्लॅनरा लागीं ताका आयज आमी लेटर दिला जे माउंट आवर लेडी ऑफ माउंट हिल थिंगा पळय हेरिटेज झोन आसा तितून फार्म हावजांक जी पळय तेणी पास केल्या ती आमी ऑपोज केला आनी 19 तारखेर तेन्ना थोडो लोक थिंगा पळोवपाक येयले आमचे गोंयकार ती फार्म हावजां खूंय येता हेरिटेज झोनान येता ती तेन्ना आमच्या गोंयच्या TCP मिनिस्टर हाणें एक आमचेर आरोप घायला की थिंगा कसलीच परमिशनां दिवंक ना आनी जे कोणें हें केलां तेंचेर आपूण FIR घालतो जाल्यार आयज तांकां आमी तिनूय फार्म हावजांच्यो कॉपीज एटॅच केल्या आनी भितून दिल्या आतां आमी TCP मिनिस्टर लागीं मागता आतां आमी फॅक्ट प्रोड्यूस केल्या आमचे कडेन जे आसलेले ते तेन्ना आमचेर FIR घालचे सुवातेर जे TCP ऑफिसरांनी रस्तो नासतना फ्रॉडंटली ही फार्म हावजां पास केल्या हेरिटेज झोनात तेंचेर पयलो FIR करपाचो कित्याक आमी RTI अंडर सगळे डॉक्युमेंट आयज TCP ऑफिसान दिल्या तशेंच TCP मिनिस्टराच्या सेक्रेटरियेट ऑफिसानूय बी दिल्या कलेक्टराक दिल्या गोवा आर्कोलॉजीक दिल्या आनी सगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटांक सांगलां की वचात आनी इन्स्पेक्शन करा आनी जे पळय टेक्निकल क्लियरन्स वो दुसरी ऑर्डर आहा त्यो सगळ्यो कॅन्सील करा कित्याक आनी थिंगासर गेलो जाल्यार लोकांक आमी पळोवपाक आपयले तेन्ना थिंगा तें फॉरेस्ट टावन आसा आनी ह्या तिनूय फार्म हावजां सारकी एक्झॅक्टली हॉटेला भाशेन तेंचो डिजायन आसा सुमार एक फार्म हावजाक 12 रूम आहा तेका फ्रूट स्टोर मॅन्युअर स्टोर फर्टिलायझर मागीर एक वॉटर टँक अशें जायते आहा आनी सगळ्याक एटॅच टॉयलेटी आहा जरी तर फार्म हावजाक टॉयलेट रुमाक टॉयलेटी कित्याक ही जावन आसा हॉटेलां फार्म हावजाच्या नांवान हेरिटेज झोनान पास केल्या आनी थिंगा कसलोय एकूय फ्रूट बियरींग ट्री ना कसले फळां जावपाची एक पपाया झाड पर्यंत ना जाल्यार हे फार्म हावज कित्याक फॉरेस्टांतल्या एनिमलांक रावपाक म्हणटच आमी मागता TCP मिनिस्टरान जे कोण ऑफिसर आहात तेंचे बेगीन कारवाय करची आमी तिनूय टेक्निकल ऑर्डरी आमी दिल्या आनी त्यो विथड्रॉ करता
आता पयलोचो इश्यू जाल्लो इन 2024 TCP ऑफिसान टेक्निकल क्लियरन्स ऑर्डर दिल्ले फॉर 3 फार्म हाउसेस and it was issued and it was signed by the K. Ashok Kumar, who is a deputy town planner. ती ऑर्डर्स घेवन हेल्थाची NOC घेतल्या तिने हेल्थाची NOC घेवन issued by the Kollim PHC. Then they applied for the construction license to the village panchayat of Old Goa. Now the village panchayat of Old Goa, they have said that they have not issued any construction license. Fair enough. But at the same time, they have not said that they have rejected the proposal which was put for them. At the TCP technical clearance order is valid for 3 years. Now what happens in a case when the village panchayat doesn't issue a license or keeps it in abeyance or keeps silence about it? The aggrieved party can go to the director of panchayat, can go to the high authorities, okay? And then in 24 hours, मातशें तेणी काम चालू केलं पळय तेन्ना ते JCB ती स्टॉप केल्यो तेंच्यो. पूण TCPन टॅक्निकल क्लिअरन्स ऑर्डर आहा पळय ती रिवोक करूंक ना. इट इज स्टील वॅलिड. हो आतां मुद्दो कित्याक येयलो? रिसेंटली वी केम टू नो that the compound wall आहा पळय ते which belongs to the chapel and that is the entire thing is a heritage zone. तें कोणें मोडलां म्हणून. It was brought to the notice of the church authorities or everyone. आनी ते पळोवंक गेले आनी मागीर थिंगासर तेणी कितें केलें हेची बॅम्बूजाची गेट केल्या. आमचे कडेन फोटो आहा भितर फोटो आहा न्हू. आमचे कडेन तो फोटो आहा. So if that issue was resolved in 2024, last week कित्याक तें कोणें मोडून ती गेट घातली थिंगासर. तितून भितर आतां व्हडली टँक घातल्या. म्हाका दिसता that tank must be at least 6-7 feet. बरें 10 feet tank. ती टँक खंयच्यान हाडली? Because that road, there is no road. As per the regional plan, that road which is there, that road belongs to the church. And it comes under to the chapel, sorry. And it comes under the heritage zone. So तेणी ट्रक दुरीक मोडून तो ट्रक भितर वचून ते टँक घातला. Because of that, we brought this issue up. This issue has nothing to do with 2024. But the technical clearance order is still valid. Tomorrow also they can go to the higher authority and get the construction license. And if the TCP doesn't give the construction license, the construction license is given by the local authority. Now in this case it will be the village panchayat or the subsequent higher authorities if they go in appeal. Okay. Now why this is happening in Old Goa? Old Goa was declared in 1986 by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. And it is not only the churches of Mount Jesus and St. Cathedral. There are 7 more structures. St. Cathedral's Church, then Church and Convent of St. Francis de Assisi, then Chapel of St. Catherine, the Church of Our Lady of Rosary, then St. Augustine, ruins of St. Augustine. And यांच्या surrounding, there are a lot of plots or there are proposed developments करूंक सोदतात. झोन चेंज करूंक सोदतात. आनी एज पर द युनेस्को गायडलायन्स 3 कंडिशनां थिंगासर तेणी आमी फुलफील करूंक जाय. द कंडिशन्स आर cultural identity of that place has to be maintained. Then historic landscape what prevailed in 1986 that has to be maintained and the visual setting. आता तिनांतले तर एक खंयचे तर parameters is violated, then the UNESCO can withdraw the World Heritage Site status which is given to Old Goa. आनी खूब जाणांक हें केल्लें जाय. कित्याक जाय तेंकां? बिकॉज थिंगासर सगळ्यांची रियल इस्टेटीची दोय आसा. Not only in Old Goa, but in the surrounding areas, the surrounding islands also. Okay, adjacent to Old Goa, like the Diwar, Sansiva, Vashi, all these places. So once this heritage status is removed, the entire area will come under the state government. And maitenga jai pe te kutolete. So we are opposing that also. And as far as now these 3 farmhouses are concerned, that undivided property which belonged to one Mr. Dume, the railways had acquired a significant portion of that. Okay. Now since this property is adjacent to the railways, there should be a NOC from the railways. Check करूँ ना. Plus the archaeology from the Department of Archaeology, times NOC na. So without taking into consideration all these factors, discipline, technical clearance order को है दिले. Another important thing is this property is on a hillside. It has a huge steep slope. The chapel is right at the top and there is a huge slope. The can you construct a farmhouse on a slope? All these factors are not taken into consideration by the TCP when they had issued the technical clearance order. So as such, we the Save Old Goa Action Committee request and demand the TCP to revoke the technical clearance order which is issued to these 3 farmhouses with immediate effect. Thank you. Joseph Market. They should revoke the home. I'm a member of the Save Old Goa.
हांव विन्सेंट डिसिल्वा रेजिडेंट ओल्ड गोवाचो इन डिटेल आमच्या मेंबरान एक्सप्लेन केलो आहा ते भाशेन हांव फकत तितलें म्हणून सोदिता टॅक्निकली हे टावन एंड कंट्री प्लॅनिंग डिपार्टमेंटान हे पळय टॅक्निकल क्लियरन्स इश्यू केले ते टोटली फ्रॉडलंट पयले सुवातेर हे प्रॉपर्टी एक्सेस ना 10 मीटर रोड प्लॅनाचेर 10 मीटर रोड एक्सेस म्हणून दाखयला तो 10 मीटर रोड ना थिंगा दुसरें म्हणल्यार ते भाशेन परमिशन घेयलें नाय पूण ते वॉल मोडला दुसरें स्लोप आसा थिंगा परमिशन प्रॉपर टॅक्निकली क्लियरन्स दिवपा जायना ही सगळी टॅक्निकली तें पळय डिटेलान सांगिल्लें तुमकां एका लागून हे परमिशन दिले ते टोटली TCPन आतां रिवोक करूं जाय हे डिमांड आमकां रिवोक करूं जाय आनी आमगे टावन एंड कंट्री प्लॅनिंग मिनिस्टरान पळय डिनाय केला की परमिशन दिलें ना म्हूण तेणें हें सारकें पळोवन घेवचें आनी कोणें ताका तर खबर ना जाल्यार कोण ऑफिसर ते सायन करून दिले तेजेर FIR करपाचें इतलो आमचो डिमांड देव बरें करूं
My name is Jacqueline Fernandez, a resident of Old Goa. Many people have spoken many things. All my colleagues have spoken a lot of things. My only suggestion is why Old Goa is being targeted for these farmhouses. We remember from our childhood, Old Goa is a place of sanctity. Why corrupt this place? There are many places. And why the outsiders are coming to Goa, especially Old Goa, to build these farmhouses? And why is the government giving permission to such farmhouses? These farmhouses are not in such places. There are many other places, many other villages, or many other things. We, as Old Goa residents, have to be united to stop all these things. So my humble request to the TCP minister is, please revoke this. And earlier we had given in 2024, we had given around 35,000 petitions that we don't want these farmhouses. And then it was silent. Now again it has cropped up. So we want the TCP minister, please look into it and revoke this, because it has, the permission is there till 2027. So we don't want this permission to be granted. Please revoke it. Thank you.
I'll just add one thing. The address of all the 3 farmhouses is the same, but there are 2 applicants. For the plot number 1, the applicant is Subhash Chandra Mala, alias Subhash Chandra. And for plot number 2, the applicant is Mrs. Chandra Lekha Bhamri for plot number 2 and 3. But the address is the same. दोघांचे address same आहे. आणि and the same construction plan, all 3. तिनूय प्लॅन दाखयता तुमकां. It's all identical. All three planes are identical. All आणि पळय. No, just see. Okay, fruit stove with a toilet, then manual stove with a toilet. Check all this. And all three are, तिन्ही दाखयता तुमकां. All three are identical. तिन्ही identical. आणि सकयल्यान रेल्वे वयता. And the सकयली प्रॉपर्टी आहा ती आख्खी हेची acquired by the Konkan Railway. No, Vaibhav architect.
जो सिग्नेटरी कोण हा त्यांचो ऑफिसर कोण हा सिग्नेटरी
कोणाचो? TCPचो?
TCP चो.
TCPचो अशोक कुमार.
असं
या तुका दाखयता. इथे घे. 24. Yeah, okay. तुका जाय 24. And but the dates are different. कोणा? पुन्हा पहिले 24 आणि ऑब्जेक्शन हाडलेले. पुणे आता परत काम चालू केलें न्हू.
Activity start झाला.
कोण आता परत तेणी व्हडली 10 लिटराची टँक हें केला. दुरीक मोडला.
10,000.
होय. ओके. के अशोक कुमार. हेल्थाचे जाय. हेल्थाचो पळय डॉक्टर.
राईट आहे
Okay. And this was invited to the Panchayat in 2024. No, see, Panchayat, Peter किती सांगलं पंचायतीन on this? Peter will tell.
आम्ही RTI मारली पंचायतीन पण त्याने नो डॉक्युमेंट फाउंड दिला. व्हॉट ॲक्शन एनी लेटर between issued between the panchayat and the farmhouse owner. No such document found. PI1 replied. It shows that the panchayat is silent. And jenna panchayat silent zata, then there is a dim clause. Within 30 days, the file, as you have assumed that the file is passed. पण ते कितें आसा पण the technical order is the fraudulent.
पण आमकडे पंचायतीक इन्वर्ट केल्ले आहाय. All three were inverted. In 24.
तुमचे ऑब्जेक्शन 2024 गेलेले हेजेर तुमकडे तेजी आहा कॉपी आहा कित्याक लागून 2024 ग्लेनान घालेलें फादर आल्फ्रेडीनूय घालेलें आनी त्या टायमार तेणी JCB भितर येयलेली पूण त्या टायमार तुमकां खबर आसलेली काय म्हणटा
जाल्यार हें कितें? तिनूय दाखोवता फायदे.
मिनिस्टर आतां TCP मिनिस्टर कहो म्हणटा तर खंयच्या बेजाचेर म्हणटा की इश्यू करूंक ना म्हणून
कितें?
TCP मिनिस्टर तुमकां तुमी दाखयता पळय तेजेर तुमचेर कंप्लेन करता ती कंप्लेन
तेणें कितें कोण सोशल मिडियान कितें घातलो नको. आणि तो कितें म्हणटा तो पेडणेकर वी डोंट हॅव एनी ऑफिसर बाय द नेम ऑफ पेडणेकर. वी नेवर सेव ओल्ड गोवा एक्शन कमिटी आमी सांगला आनी कोण तुजें ओपिनियन जातलें तें आनी कोणाचें ओपिनियन जातलें. वी हॅव नॉट सेड एनीथिंग. ओके मूव आमकां हें रिवोक
Revoke it.
वी वांट इट टू बी रिवोक.
If not technical.
If not yet, there are so many ways to counter it. Of course, there are so many avenues. Thank you.
Thank you very much.